different down here.
Yeah.
I think it looks awesome.
Okay.
I mean, it just is, it's all come together. Remember starting in that corner?
Yeah.
She has a picture of us in that, just the beginnings,
Yeah.
that little spot.
We have taken over.
Yeah, all the way.
Yeah, all the
We
way.
have taken over.
We have taken over. Well, we started out in my little tiny office upstairs.
Well, we started out here before the office.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, when we had all our sanders and stuff and we're making all of our rounds, right down here, sanding all that.
We sanded up this one.
And then the, yeah, then we needed to move out of here for
But
a
I'm gonna
while.
tell you what, those were some of the best rounds we ever made.
We still have some too.
Yes, those were
They're good. And I sanded some
Right
fingerprints.
here. Some of the best rounds we
Yeah.
ever made.
That was a lot. And then running that shop vac to keep the dust down, and then the sound of that thing, and thump, thump, it was so loud down here.
You know, and to think how much sawing we did to get this together.
Oh, I know.
I know, right?
Maybe a nail, but no.
Oh, right, we lost some of those, yes.
Those were the days.